everybody, Overkill Jill here. Me and Shelly are at this beautiful rest area in Mississippi. We're just gonna take a quick 30-45 minute break, have some lunch, take a walk, and get out the truck and enjoy the view. And I'll catch you up a little later on what we've been up to. Talk to you later. Shelly's like a kid in the candy store, honey. Getting my steps in. Woo, walking back up this hill. Woo, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Woo, there goes Shelly. Woo, shit. I'm out of shape. Oh, I done worked up an appetite after that little walk. We didn't do too much walking. We just really wanted to just be out the truck, enjoy the beautiful scenery. We could have walked a little longer, but I still am on a schedule. I'm gonna make me some lunch. I don't know what yet, but I'll catch you up in a minute. Okay, I finished making my lunch. I'm gonna eat some Frito pie. Set y'all back up here and tell y'all what I've been up to. I am in Mississippi at the state line on Interstate 55, going north and south. And last time I was at the Mississippi rest area at the state line. I like to go to the Welcome Center rest areas. That's like right on the state line because those are way better than just like the regular rest areas. And I'm going to show you footage from that other Mississippi rest area, the one I was on I-10 going east and west, because me and Shelly got some footage over there. They're all so beautiful. And I think I got this Georgia rest area that I like. I didn't get footage of because it was nighttime when we were over there. But I want to go back and get more footage. But right now I'm headed to Alabama to pick up a trailer. And I've been driving for the last 2 days. Going on, this is my 3rd day on a trailer hunt. Because there's more damaged, lost, abandoned, inoperable trailers than there are available good ones, apparently. But it's okay. It was a little frustrating. I didn't know, like, I knew it was something to expect. I just didn't know it was that bad. But yesterday was a little stressful because you get to one place and your trailer's not there, and people are being excuse my French, people are being rude. And it's hard not to be an a-hole in trucking. I get it. It's a lot of stressful careers. When I was working at the hospital, the nurses would catch an attitude with me, and I'm like, I didn't do you anything. But now that I'm actually working in like a really stressful position, I could see how that could tend to happen. So I prayed for inner peace and patience and understanding for today. At the beginning of my day, I'm gonna try to stay in prayer, try to stay in the spirit, try to keep God first, so that I won't forget, or I won't let my intentions fall by the wayside, because I don't want to be negative Nancy on the road. But other than that, once I get my trailer, I'm just gonna get a load and do what I do. But here's my lunch, and I'll share more footage of other rest stops with you guys later. Have a good day. So what happened was, I accidentally deleted the footage of the other beautiful rest stop in Mississippi, off of the I-10 East and West state line. But it is okay, because I am shooting some footage here from the rest area in beautiful Alabama. And I guess you've seen one pretty rest stop in Mississippi, you've seen them all. But enjoy the rest of this video, y'all. I wish all these people weren't around. I'd hug this tree. It feels so good. I'm just leaning against it, and I'm just like pushing up against it, and it's like so soft and so solid and so cozy. I love this. I'm a tree hugger. You feeling bad? Go hug a tree. You feeling mad? Go hug a tree. Or just hug it like this. Just lean next to it.